Hello and welcome to the Grace Company headquarters. I'm Janna Matthews, sales manager here at Grace Company. Today we'll be taking a look at the machine quilting frame that helps free motion quilting fit in small craft rooms in a tight budget, the Cutie Tabletop Fabric Frame.
Set up the Cutie Frame on your kitchen table, the desk in your office, or on the coffee table in front of the TV. The Cutie was designed to be small and light enough to bring quilting into any space. With the Cutie, your domestic sewing machine becomes the total quilting package.
Whether you're looking for the quilting frame that will let you finish your own quilts, or you're a long-time long armor who's just looking to create outside of the sewing room, the Cutie opens up a whole new world of quilting possibilities. Let's talk about the features that let you quilt anything, anywhere with the Cutie.
The size of your craft room, or lack thereof, should not limit your ability to quilt on the frame. With a width of 53 inches and a length of 27, the Cutie turns any sturdy table into a full-frame quilting system. With the Cutie, you don't need to buy an expensive long-arm quilting machine to finish your quilts. You can frame up your domestic machine and use it like a long arm as long as it meets these requirements. The bed height should be at least 1.5 and no more than 4.5 inches tall. Your machine should be less than 12 inches wide to fit the Cutie's carriage and no taller than 16 inches. The throat length must be between 8.5 and 19 inches. The feed dogs can drop, disengage, or be covered with a plate. The machine has a foot pedal. The foot pedal cable should be 4.5 feet or longer, so it can reach the floor when you place the Cutie frame on a table. The Cutie is compatible with most Grace Company machines, including the Little Rebel, the Cunique 16X series, and the Cunique 19X series. Save even more space by folding up the Cutie Tabletop Fabric Frame and tucking it away wherever you keep your craft supplies. Your own quilting frame setup doesn't have to cost tens of thousands of dollars. The Cutie turns your domestic sewing machine into a complete frame quilting setup for less than $1,000. The Cutie is a hoop frame, so it can handle quilts of any size, from baby to king with our zone-to-zone method. Wherever you want to quilt, the Cutie will quilt along with you.
The Cutie makes it easy to quilt anything, anywhere. So if you've been too afraid to start, if your budget has been holding you back, or if you didn't think you had enough space for a frame, the Cutie makes quilting possible for anyone. Thank you for joining us and taking a look at the adorable, affordable tabletop frame, the Cutie.